Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to download and install the Google Play Store on your Windows 10 laptop. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, open up your Chrome browser. If you don't have it installed, you can easily download it from the official website. Once you have Chrome up and running, go ahead and navigate to the Google search bar. Type Play Store in the search bar and press Enter. You will see search results appear on the screen. Click on the first link, which is the official site of the Play Store. Step 2. Play Store's official website should open smoothly. Now, if you want to install any app, just click on the app you'd like to download and then click the Install button. If you also want to create a shortcut for the Play Store app, click on the vertical 3 dots icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Go to More Tools and select Create Shortcut. You can now rename the app shortcut to your liking and then click Create. Your Play Store app shortcut is now successfully created. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Google Play Store on your Windows PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.